In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your RedotPay card to Apple Wallet. You can now do this as of the 24th of February. I'm recording this video. What you need to do is update your RedotPay, whether that's through your App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you're on the most recent version of RedotPay. You can then go to cards, and here you'll see a notification telling you that you can upgrade your card, which you can go ahead and click on. And here you can see the benefits. The main one, obviously, we can now use the card with Apple Pay. So if that's important for you, you can click on upgrade. In a few minutes, it will then upgrade your card and it will generate a new card which is now compatible with Apple Pay. As I upgraded my physical card, I had to enter in my address where they're going to send the new physical card, because this new card is going to be different to your old one. This is going to be a new upgraded card. Once it's upgraded, we will then see the button to add that card to Apple Wallet. So while we wait for them to ship it out, we will be able to use it on Apple Pay. So we can click on the Apple Wallet icon, and then you can go through the steps here to add it. So it just comes up, you can click next and then add that to your Apple Wallet. And here's me using the Apple Wallet. I'm going to now get a reset on this fresh card when it gets delivered. So I'm going to get another 3 years essentially for free, because they're issuing a new card and you don't have to pay for this. So that is also another benefit. So if you want to join RedotPay, I'll put a link in the description below, and thank you for watching.